Back about 3 or 4 years ago, I had some issues with my legs and my pelvis. I did not know what was going on, so I had gone to my general physician, and they had sent me to some specialists, and I had no answers after that. After multiple years, my PT actually was turned on to resistance flexibility, and she told me that I needed to give it a try. So I gave it a try and was absolutely floored and blown away by it, by the instant change that it gave me to my legs and my body itself. And I was sold ever since. I had pain in my back, pains in my knees. One of the most prevalent pains I showed was I had a lot of bladder issues. Urination all the time. In your early 20s, it's not fun, and it's not something every 20-year-old looks forward to. So that in stretching helped to eliminate that and get my daily routine back from just focusing on bladder issues, back pain, and knee pains.